Today we've had a national tragedy. Two airplanes have crashed into the World Trade Center in an apparent terrorist attack on our country.
September 11th, 2001 is a day that I will never forget. Never forget.
Honestly, I was confused. Initially, I thought the plane, or I guess pilot, had went off course and hit the building, and then when the second plane hit, my first thought that we were under attack, and it was kind of scary, not knowing what was going to happen.
You know, I was a policeman then, and I worked night shift, worked 10 at night to 6 in the morning. So I was actually at home asleep. My wife, she came home and she woke me up and she says, I don't know if you want to get up, but there's been two planes that have hit the World Trade Center towers. So I jumped up out of bed because I was like, I didn't know what was going on. So I went downstairs and we watched television. I was just mesmerized. We just watched it all night, all the way up until I had to go back into work that night. And I can remember going into work, there was hardly a car on the interstate. So this is one night that we don't want to stop anybody, we don't want to have any calls, because it was just so eerie out there that night.
At the time, we didn't know what happened. We just knew that the building, a plane had flown into the building, but we didn't necessarily know at that time that it was a terrorist attack until the second plane hit. Then it was like the alarms went to like level 10. I remember getting really emotional. Part of it was just feeling scared, confused. What did that mean for us? I'm pretty sure I cried, to be honest with you. I felt kind of my heart lumping up into my throat. Something was wrong. You know, we had been attacked, and it was like I had been attacked, like my family had been attacked, my mom and my dad. It wasn't just those buildings, it was America. It was me. We had been attacked. I remember just getting really, really emotional about that.
I don't remember when things actually went back to normal or how long it took. Actually, I don't think anything ever has gone back to normal since then.
So after 9/11, it just really seemed like we just started coming together. A lot of patriotism going on, a lot of prayer going on. And back during that time, we didn't really have social media, so it was just like people were just out and having on shirts and just praying, and churches were getting together to pray for the people. Donations were going out for the people in New York City.
Everybody was ready to go serve. Military would have called me to go serve, I would have gone and served. I wouldn't have thought twice about it, because I love our country so much.
September 11th of 2001 is a day I'll never forget.
That I will never forget.
A day I never forget.
Never forget.
I'll never forget.
I will never forget. Never forget.
May God bless you all.